In this video, I will show you how can you use Todoist effectively on phone. So basically, as you can see, I log in into their app. They have like 4 tabs: Today tab, Inbox tab, Search tab, and Browse tab. Today tab basically is for today's activities, and let's say that I will want to create an activity for today. I will click here on this plus tab and I will name it, let's say, reading time. I will click on Today tab. As you can see here, you can choose the date wherever you want. You can choose tomorrow, later this week, this weekend, and many more. So right now I will add a time and I will choose, let's say, 12 p.m. 12 a.m. Click on OK. As you can see, the duration is for pro mode, so you will not be able to use it on the free plan. And right now I will click on save. And here on the inbox tab, as you can see, you can choose a label. Let's say if you are choosing inbox and you will set the priority from 1 to 4, let's say that for me the priority is 2, and whenever I will click on this send tab, as you can see, this activity was added to inbox. So let's go to see it. Click on inbox, and as you can see here, reading time on 12 a.m. as you can see, it's here. Right now, if I will go to the search, here you can find your tasks, your projects, your activities, and many more. If you are go to the browse, you can see your projects, your upcomings, your labels, and many more. Right now, let's click on this settings tab, and here you can let's say if you want to change your theme, you can go here and choose dark theme, moonstone theme, tangerine theme, whatever you want. I will let this default theme for me because I like it. Right now, if you are going to the navigation bar, you can choose some things here. If you are going to navigation menu, you can choose again whatever you want from here. Well, I hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.